गंगा च यमुना चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदा सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. Welcome to Sacred Rivers of India on Uttarakhand and Karnataka, of rivers Ganga and Kaveri and its tributaries. Myself, Himani, and my friends are going to talk about Uttarakhand and Karnataka's river system, topography, and climatic conditions.
The Ganga River, also referred to as the Ganges, emerges from Devaprayag, exits at Haridwar in Uttarakhand. The Ganga River begins at the confluence of holy rivers Bhagirathi and Alaknanda at Devprayag. The length of river is about 96 kilometers. The important tributaries are Alaknanda, Gomti, Yamuna, and many more. Kaveri River rises at Talakaveri on the Brahmagiri Hills in the Western Ghats in Karnataka at an elevation of about 1,341 meters and flows for about 800 kilometers before its outfall into the Bay of Bengal. The important tributaries are Harangi, Hemavati, Kabini, Suvarnavati, and Bhavani.
Now let's talk about tributaries of Ganga and Kaveri River.
The Suvarnavati River originates from the Nasughat Hills in Mysore. From its place of origin to where it converges, it is about 88 kilometers long. The Suvarnavati River is formed when two streams join the river at Badiparka. The river is joined by its tributaries before its confluence with Kaveri. The Harangi River originates from the Pushpagiri Hills in Kodagu district. The dam was built in the 1970s across the river near Hudgar village. The reservoir is formed by a dam built across the river Harangi. The dam is located about 9 kilometers away from the heart of Kushalnagar town.
Hemavati River, tributary of Kaveri, starts in the Western Ghats at an elevation of about 1219 meter near Balur in Mudigehr Taluk of Chikmagalur district of the state of Karnataka in southern India. Ram Ganga River, tributary of Ganga in Uttarakhand, originates from Dudhatoli ranges in the district of Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand state of India. It has a drainage basin of 30,641 km square.
Bhagirathi River. The Bhagirathi is the turbulent Himalayan river in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and one of the two head streams of the Ganges, the major river of northern India and considered holy in Hinduism. Alaknanda River. The Alaknanda River is the left bank tributary of the Ganges at Devprayag. The five main tributaries joining with Alaknanda in order includes Dhauli Ganga, Nandakini, Pindar, Mandakini and Bhagirathi, all rising in the northern mountainous region.
Let's talk about climate in Uttarakhand and Karnataka.
Climate of Uttarakhand is temperate, marked by seasonal variations in the temperature but also affected by tropical monsoon. Karnataka has tropical monsoon climate. The main characteristics of this climate are hot and moist summers and cool and dry winters, but there is diversity in the living of the state.
Now let's see some information on topography. Uttarakhand has a highly varied topography with snow-covered peaks, glaciers, deep canyons, roaring streams, beautiful lakes, and a few patches of dusty plains in the south. Karnataka boasts of geography that has all types of topographical variations. The state exhibits a splendid mix of lofty mountains, coastal plains, residual hills, and plateaus. Let's see the main uses of both the rivers. Both the rivers are utilized for irrigation and fishing. Both are worshipped as holy rivers. Ganga River provides fresh water to millions in Uttarakhand and Kaveri majorly helps for generating electricity. Water is most important necessity of life for all the living beings on earth. Conserving water is important as it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. We should promote the less use and saving of clean water.